This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Dodge Charger radiator. First, gather your essential tools, including wrenches, pliers, and a suitable drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work to avoid burns. Safely lift your vehicle and secure it firmly on jack stands. Then, locate the radiator drain plug and carefully drain all the old coolant into your collection container. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Next, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Then, proceed to remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses, being mindful of any residual coolant. Carefully detach any electrical connectors, such as those for the cooling fan, and unbolt the fan shroud. Once everything is disconnected, you can gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay, making sure not to damage surrounding components. Now it's time to install your new radiator. Carefully lower it into the engine bay, ensuring it sits correctly in its mounts. Secure all mounting bolts and brackets firmly to prevent any movement. Reconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses, making sure the clamps are tight to prevent leaks. Finally, reattach all electrical connectors and the fan shroud, ensuring everything is properly seated and secured. To complete the job, refill your cooling system with the correct coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 blend of antifreeze and distilled water. It's crucial to bleed any air from the system to prevent overheating. Run the engine with the heater on high and the radiator cap off until the thermostat opens. Thoroughly inspect all connections and hoses for any signs of leaks. Remember to check the description for links to new reading devices and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.